Hey, so maybe you work or live in the city and your main mode of transportation is either walking or biking. It's not your car. So when you ask Google, how do you get to work or what's your commute time, it gives you the wrong thing. Well, in this video, we're going to show you exactly how you can change your preferred mode of transportation. Coming up. Hey, Josh here with Gross Tech, where you get your smart home technology simplified to make it easy to understand and use in your house. Hey, so this is another one of our how-to guides in our Google Home playlist, which I'll link up here, and it is also down in the description below. So how do you change whether you walk to work or you walk home or you bike or you take a car? Well, all these things are going to change how the Google Assistant is going to tell you how long your commute is, or how far, or what's the best route, or what's the traffic. Those things depend on what your mode of transportation is. So go ahead and grab your phone or your mobile device and go ahead and open the Google Home app. From there, as always, go to the top left corner, make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi as your Google device, and hit the little hamburger 3 lines menu, go to more settings. Now in your settings, you're going to go to preferences, and the last option there you see is getting around. Now you make sure you have the home or work locations already set up, and if you haven't done that, go ahead and click the link up here in the top corner, or that is also down in the bottom in the description of how to set that up. Also make sure your Google Home actual location is set up. Again, there's a link up there and down in the description on a video on how to make sure that is all set up. But assuming that's all done, you have 2 different options here for your mode of transportation. So the first option is how you get to work or get home. Now these are specific to those 2 locations, not to anything else. So maybe you drive to work, but you walk to the cafe, or you walk to most places. Well, that's simplified and made it easy. So make sure you select drive a car, take a public transport, walk, or bike for your first option is how you get to work or how you get home. Your second option down below is how you get anywhere else. Again, drive a car, take a public transportation, walk, or bike. This is how you're going to get around to Walmart, or how you're going to get to the Starbucks or any other store or place that you want to go to, and ask for time, how long it takes to get to that place. Google will automatically know if it's not home, if it's not work, it's going to use this as the default mode of transportation, so you can select it there. Hey, so there you go, an easy way to change the mode of transportation you use, either to home, to work, or anywhere else. And the Google Home will default to those locations and default how you get to those locations. So if you're, like I said before, in a city and your mode of transportation is a bicycle, well, the Google Home telling you that there's rush hour traffic means nothing to you, because you're not taking a car or public transportation to your home or work or Starbucks or cafe or wherever you're going. So having these options make it very helpful and useful. Hey, thanks again for watching the video. My name is Josh with Gross Tech. Again, this is a part of a series of how to Google Home guide, I guess is an easy way to say it. So if you haven't seen the other videos, they're linked down in the bottom or in the cue cards up top. Also check out the videos beside, which will be helpful to you. Again, thanks for watching. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.